seem very secure. Guys, and welcome to another studio vlog. This actually isn't meant to be the vlog that was meant to go up next. I was meant to do a travelling in the van and working in a van vlog, but to be honest, me and Dean ended up cutting that trip short. So we were out for a week, we went down to Brighton, we seen some friends and family, and we decided to cut it short because we had work to do. I really wanted to get to work on the Halloween launch, and also Dean has had a bad back and a few cupboards had broken in the van, and if I'm being totally honest, I felt a little burnt out from the lack of consistency and also travelling a little too much. I feel like such a brat even saying that, like, oh my gosh, we've been too busy, but our schedules have been really rammed packed, full of travel, full of weddings and all sorts of stuff, and I was really craving the routine, but we decided to come back to the studio, and I'm feeling very grateful. It's my happy space here, and as you've seen in the beginning of this vlog, we have cleared up the desk behind us, because what I've wanted to do for a while is paint this desk here. As you can see, it's kind of all raw MDF at the minute. I'm not going to paint all this bit yet, I'm going to keep that wood, but the MDF top, basically I do like packing orders, and I really want to start experimenting with live packing orders where we just chill together, we put on some music and I just pack live on TikTok or maybe Instagram. I've been seeing a lot of shops do that recently, but I wanted to sort this desk space out because this is what it looks like. I've just put this lamp over there so I can see what I'm doing, but as you can see, it's all kind of just like this raw MDF that's stained. Now I was going to put a vinyl wrap on the top of this that's wipeable, but I think I'm going to experiment with some pink paint first and see what that looks like, and put like a coating of varnish on and see if that is tough enough. If not, then I'll probably put vinyl over the top, and then I'm going to use the pink paint that we've got left over from doing the Katnipp wall over there in the background. I don't know if you can see, so that's the same colour. I'm going to try painting. I can't decide whether to use a roller or whether to use this paint pad. I think I'll use this paint pad. It ideally needs another coat, but I'm really lazy. I've also got it all up the walls. I'm just going to varnish it because I don't actually know if I'll keep it like this, so I'm just going to varnish it the way it is. It doesn't look too bad once the stuff, it's mainly like the corners and stuff, but when the stuff's back on you won't be able to tell. I've also got it up my wall. Painting isn't my strongest point. I don't have enough patience for it. The next day, and I've just come in and the desk is looking pretty. It's all pink and everything. I finished varnishing it. You can see I got the satin one so you can see the brush strokes. Maybe I should have used a roller, but that should give it some of the protection. Oh no, there's a bump there. Oh, never mind. I should have sanded that down and repainted it, but it's just kind of a cheap job. It's just a piece of MDF. Really, it needs like wood filler and these screws and everything, but it does the trick. I put a varnish on so it doesn't look too bad. I'm actually going to film a video for my personal channel. I'm going to do a Q&A video. Basically, I lost a bunch of personal vlogs after, this is the second time I've done this, all my Alton Tower trip vlogs. Really annoyed about that. So I'm going to film a Q&A because it's been like 3 weeks. But I wanted to show you what I got yesterday. I got an absolute bargain. So I don't know about you guys, but paper trays cost an absolute fortune and they're really handy. And we actually got these from the pound shop before, and they're really handy for all our different types of paper, like sticker paper and stuff. And for our packaging, where Mike packages, we've got different things like Katnipp logo stickers, mug logo stickers. So I needed some paper trays, and I looked online and they're really expensive. They're like £18 or whatever. Then I went into the pound shop again just out of curiosity, and look what I found. We found these gorgeous gold, I'm hoping they're stackable, I tried stacking them in the store, gold paper trays. Like, look at that. These were £1 each. And they also had, just in here, they also had these gold pen pots as well to match. So how good are they? So always just check your local pound shop and stuff. I literally cleared the shelves. I got all of these. I got like every single one that was on the shelf, and they're kind of just stacking like that. So they're super handy. And I got 2 of these, which were also £1 just to match. Good morning, guys. So yesterday was a bit of a disaster. I ended up filming that video and I took ages to edit it. Then I did some TikTok stuff, some real stuff. Anyway, today we're going to sort out that shipping desk. It's currently Friday and we're going to get to work on packing some orders. So let's go, shall we? Oh, it's going to fall. Seem very secure. Why can't I tighten the scale guy? Seem to have lost it on that. Okay, I see why these are only £1. They don't stack very well. I know, I'll probably be here till about 9 or 10. I'm all finished, the little desk area. I did have a giraffe up here, but I've changed it to Bumblebug because I felt like he went a little better. It's looking a lot brighter up here. I've put a lot more lights. I got this clippy on light from Wilkinson's the other day. Really handy if you need to add some light to the space but you don't have like electrician skills like me. We've got a couple of lamps, but now it's nice and bright, so for vlogs and stuff it should be really nice and pretty and bright to package all the orders, and also makes it easier to see. So let's give you a little tour. Over here we have our Mac where we ship our products on. I've used one of our Froggo mouse mats for the desk. We've got a Never Stop Looking Up coaster. Oops, I forgot to pause the music in the background. Over here we've got some little baskets full of different things that we use for packaging, like our keyring backing cards, vinyl stickers, coaster backing cards, and then some cellos for the keyrings. We also have the Bumblebutt adoption certificate at the back here to add to the orders, washi stands, thank you cards which we're running short of. And then I thought this was a super cute idea. I put up some of my art prints, so this is Satsuma and the Belief in You, and I used my little confetti stickers, and I also did that over here too. Look how pretty it looks. So I used them instead of washi tape to hang everything up, and I just think it looks really, really cute and pretty. I'm actually thinking of doing a set which is larger and maybe like a removable sticker that we can actually use for walls, because I feel like these work perfectly with these little small sizes, but if you had like a larger art print, even though like over here we've got Bear held up by these little stickers as you can see, but I feel like slightly larger ones would look really cool, and they look so cute. Like everything's like hung up by them. And then I printed out my Katnipp logo. I hung some vines. Can you recognize these? They're from the Katnipp cafe. Put up some more art prints, and then printed out these like random shapes and just dotted them around the window. So I haven't added paint to the walls because it's a nightmare basically. I think there's only one thing we need to do now, and that is to actually ship some products from there. So the best way of testing out the new space and the layout of everything is to ship some products, and I think we've got around 30 orders on. So let's get into shipping. But first of all, I'm gonna have a little bit of a break. It's currently 3:30. I've been doing that way too long, but I'm really happy with how it looks now. It looks like a really cute, bright, cozy corner to ship in. Let's pack some orders. have super enjoyed packaging orders over the last few days. I forgot how therapeutic it is to kind of get in the zone. I was really rusty when I first started out because it's been a while since I've done orders, to be honest, but I was super rusty, and then I got into it and then learned where everything was, and it was like second nature. I absolutely loved it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to end it here because we have a new vlog coming next week where we will unbox the new enamel pins that have arrived. I am super excited about that, so watch out for next week's. And if you enjoyed it and don't want to miss all the behind the scenes of this journey of small business, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment if you want. Alright then, thanks so much for watching. I love you.
Goodbye.